how to change keyboard size on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, scroll down and click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. After click on Samsung Keyboard Settings, scroll down and click on Size and Transparency. After click on Size and Transparency, if you want to change keyboard size, so you will see you will increase or decrease size from here. So you will adjust size from here. After increase or decrease keyboard size, after adjust, click on done. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change keyboard size on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.